Hey friends, as you can see, we're cleaning the corral. We hadn't really planned on it this morning, but quite frankly, we weren't real sure what to do with ourselves. It's humid out here. It was either take a break and go sit in the house or do something. This needed to be done, so we jumped in on this. Christopher's in the loader and I'm doing the work on the ground. We kind of both like it that way. He likes running equipment. I don't mind, but I'm pretty happy on my feet too. So yeah, we're trying to clean this up. We've had more in here than I think we ever have. And that was hay bombing out in the pasture as well. We fed more hay this winter than we ever have. If you're new to the channel, the grasshoppers cleared us out at home. We normally graze 12 months of the year. And this winter, well, hell, we've been feeding hay since August. That was on a supplemental basis. These pigs need to move. They've done well in here. We've deep bedded them in here. Boar and a bunch of gilts and a sow. And another boar and another sow. And over there we've got the garlic. Let's see if I can zoom in on it a little. Well, it's in there. So yeah, this needed to be done. It's been hard to work on. We've been getting rains, every second or third day, and so it never dries out. And today it's dry enough. He's still spun a little bit here and there, but tried to get the bulk of it out of here this morning. Alrighty friends, I'll video him coming and leaving again. I'm gonna shut up now because you won't be able to hear me anyway. We've got quite the mountain up there. I'll show it to you later. There's an earlier video showing it, but it's gotten bigger. Now the headache there is, of course, we need to spread it from there. He wants to let it compost first, and that's a good idea. So probably spread it next year, maybe this fall. All right, friends. I hope everybody has a great day. Thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.